Malaysia has just made a decision that shocked the US and EU. Nobody saw this as coming. Malaysia's move to join Brics has sent shockwaves that is making headlines throughout the entire economic world. Malaysia's decision to join Brics is a game changer. This group includes some of the world's largest emerging economies, with a combined export value of over $4 trillion. Malaysia, a key growth engine for the ASEAN economy, brings significant economic strength to Brics. This move could shift power dynamics, affecting trade and international relations. It's crucial to understand the potential impact on the global economy. But why did Malaysia make this surprising choice? Malaysia's economic growth has been impressive. It plays a crucial role in the ASEAN region, driving development and innovation. This strategic move to join Brics aligns with its ambition to expand its global influence. Brics members benefit from collaboration and mutual growth. Joining Brics could boost Malaysia's economy through stronger trade ties and new investment opportunities. This move came shortly after Saudi Arabia decided not to renew the petrodollar agreement with the US, signaling a shift in global economic alliances. Malaysia is expected to become a high-income nation, surpassing Singapore by 2040. For the US and EU, this means adjusting to a new player in the global economic arena. So, what led Malaysia to take this bold step? Malaysia has always been a significant player in the ASEAN economy, boasting a robust manufacturing sector, abundant natural resources, and a strategic location. Notably, Malaysia is one of the world's leading producers of liquefied natural gas, LNG, with significant contributions in both volume and value to the global market. Malaysia has also become a pioneer in floating LNG technology, thanks to Petronas, a Fortune 500 company and a leader in renewable energy. Joining Brics aligns with Malaysia's long-term goals to boost economic growth by forging stronger ties with other emerging economies. This partnership can provide access to new markets and investment opportunities, particularly for its advanced LNG technologies and renewable energy initiatives. It's a strategic move to strengthen Malaysia's position on a global stage and enhance its leadership in the energy sector. But how will this decision affect Malaysia's future and its role in the global energy market? Malaysia's integration into Brics isn't without challenges. The group includes diverse economies with different political and economic interests. Aligning Malaysia's goals with those of Brics nations like China and Russia can be complex. Additionally, there might be geopolitical repercussions, especially with the US and EU watching closely. Malaysia is also involved in the CPTPP, a trade agreement the US left in 2017 under the Trump administration, seeking China's help to bid for its membership. When the US left the CPTPP, it created a power vacuum and reduced the agreement's overall economic influence. Malaysia seeking China's support to join shows its strategic pivot towards stronger Asian alliances. China is enthusiastic about supporting Malaysia's Brics membership, seeing it as a way to strengthen its influence in the region and counterbalance Western dominance. Now, Brics is expanding and could become larger than the EU. The EU might face challenges in controlling the world economy. Future Brics members might no longer require using the SWIFT system, impacting the demand for the US dollar. With these recent changes, what will happen to the US and EU economies? Like what you see, smash that like button and subscribe to join our Ducklings. Expect high inflation and rising interest rates in the US and the EU that causing significant economic strain. These issues make it harder for businesses to borrow money and for consumers to afford goods. The UK is now in recession, distracted by its Rwanda and migration issues, which further limits its economic stability. In the US, the dollar's value is dropping amid political uncertainty, as the upcoming presidential election looks one-sided due to Trump's tarnished reputation. Meanwhile, China has sold U.S. Treasury bonds, signaling a shift in financial strategies. Additionally, the rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDC, is beginning to reshape the global financial landscape. As these major economies struggle, their global influence could wane, giving BRICS countries more leverage. As BRICS expands, its growing influence could challenge the current global economic order. The reduced reliance on the SWIFT system and the potential decline in the US dollar's dominance could shift power towards emerging markets. This shift could impact global trade policies and economic stability. Gas prices could go up, tuition fees might increase, smartphones could become more expensive, and owning a house might just be a dream for many. Understanding these changes is crucial for anticipating future economic trends and preparing for their impact. So what is the US doing? As of now, the US is heavily involved in providing financial and business support to its partners. Recently, the US has committed nearly $4 billion in aid to Israel, offering substantial military and economic assistance. Additionally, the U.S. has provided over $24 billion in aid to Ukraine, further straining its resources. This focus on international commitments diverts crucial resources and attention from pressing domestic economic issues. While Americans struggle with rising inflation, skyrocketing living costs, and economic uncertainty, our government prioritizes foreign aid. This imbalance is causing frustration and anxiety among citizens who see their own needs being overlooked. Families are finding it harder to make ends meet, and the dream of a better future seems increasingly out of reach. This allocation of resources directly impacts the US's ability to tackle its own economic challenges. High inflation means that everyday necessities, like food and gas, are becoming more expensive. Rising interest rates make it difficult for people to buy homes or start businesses. Our government must balance its international commitments with the urgent needs of its citizens. Understanding the implications of this financial support is crucial for predicting the future of the U.S. economy and its global influence. The rising gas prices, increasing tuition fees, and the fading dream of homeownership are not just statistics. They represent real struggles faced by millions of Americans. These choices could have lasting effects on American lives, leaving many feeling abandoned and without hope for relief. You see, not only is Malaysia making this move, but many other countries are also bidding for membership. You won't believe which nations are lining up next. Right now, Americans are feeling the pinch. Prices are up, wages aren't keeping pace, and the dream of owning a home is fading for many. On top of this, there's a big shift happening globally. 28 countries, including Saudi Arabia, Argentina, the UAE, Thailand, and Brunei, are looking to join BRICS. They're seeking economic cooperation and a way to break free from Western financial systems. This move isn't just about politics. It could fundamentally change global trade, oil prices, and financial power. Imagine what this means for us. More countries in BRICS could mean they control a bigger chunk of the world's oil, driving up prices at the pump and for heating. They might also develop their own financial systems, reducing reliance on the US dollar. This could shake our economy, making everyday items like groceries and electronics more expensive. For many, it can mean higher bills, steeper tuition fees, and an even tougher time trying to buy a home. As BRICS expands, the US and EU could see their economic influence wane. Major oil producers joining BRICS could spike oil prices, hitting our wallets hard. With less reliance on the US dollar, our financial stability could take a hit, leading to higher prices for everyday essentials. This means more stress for American families, struggling to make ends meet. Rising gas prices, increasing tuition fees, and the fading dream of homeownership are not just numbers, they are real struggles that affect millions of us. The rapid growth of BRICS could leave the US trying to catch up, putting ordinary Americans under even more pressure. Imagine the impact on small businesses facing higher costs and less consumer spending. Families could see their budgets stretched thin, with fewer opportunities for savings or investments. The cost of living could skyrocket, making it harder for people to afford basic necessities. Moreover, the geopolitical landscape could shift dramatically. Countries within Brics might create new trade networks, excluding the US and EU, leading to economic isolation. This could affect everything from job markets to international relations. For students, higher tuition fees could mean greater debt and fewer prospects post-graduation. Homeownership, a cornerstone of the American dream, could become an unattainable goal for many. Did you hear that Saudi Arabia just ditched our US dollar? This move could make everyday costs skyrocket. Imagine higher gas prices, steeper grocery bills, and an even tougher time affording a home. It's not just numbers. It's about your family feeling the pinch and dreams of stability slipping away. This change could hit your wallet hard, making it difficult to keep up with bills, save for the future, and secure a better life for our children. Watch this video and I'll see you there.